how to Phantom Wallet use. So if you want to basically use Phantom Wallet, if you are a beginner or something, now I'm assuming you've already went ahead and then created an account and bought something, and you have got some kind of knowledge about a little bit of crypto trading. Now basically, do you have the Phantom Wallet app? As in, when you open the app, you'll be able to see your current balance. If you want to receive or deposit some kind of crypto to your account, you can tap on the receive option, and you have to copy the wallet address and send it from an exchange to this address. Now if you want to send your crypto, if anything that you have, then you can also tap on send, select an asset that you own, and then simply send it. If you want to swap your cryptocurrency from one to another and convert it, you can just tap the swap option to convert your certain cryptocurrency. Then you can also tap on the buy option on the top right if you want to buy any form of crypto that you have to choose between these. So you can buy Tether, you can buy USDT, you can buy Polygon, you can buy Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, or anything as such. And these are pretty much some of the things, the basic things that you can do. If you come to this little page, you'll be able to see your collectibles. You can come back to the swap page over here where you can swap your tokens. You can come to the activity tab where you'll be able to view some of your transactions, and you can also come to the discover page where you'll be able to see all the trending tokens, that some of the trending sites, collections, and some of the learning facilities here as well. This is the way on how you can use Phantom Wallet. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.